everyone, yesterday's trade details and today's analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Welcome to MoneyGuide. In Nifty 50 first trade we can't take because within 5 minutes everything is happened, completed the trade. But in the second trade, after the breaking of no trade zone 24,475, first target of 2460 is 600 is achieved. And after in third trade, super twins is formed at 24,600 level. After that, it reached the target of R to 24,860. Again, market is reversed from 24,860 and pull back to 24,475, which is no trade zone, and pull up back. Here in no trade zone, super twins is formed. In Bank Nifty, firstly 53,200 breaks the level and first target of 53,000 is achieved, and then second target of 52,780 is almost touched. After that, the market was reversed and breaks the levels 53,280. First target of resistance 53 achieved. After that, resistance 1 is break and second target of resistance to 53,700 is achieved. Look here, exactly from the no trade zone, the falling market is reversed. This is what I want to say. The twin brothers at resistance are supported or important levels, it will work very well. Twin brothers is when one of the three powerful patterns in Nifty and Bank Nifty for an intraday. I already posted two patterns in live market and this one is the third pattern. Three patterns are very effective in intraday in Bank Nifty, Nifty or Sensex. The two patterns video I'll keep at end card. Let's start the analysis for if Nifty opens in gap up and breaks 24,700, first target is 24,860, second target is 25,000. If Nifty opens in gap down and breaks 24,550, first target is 24,390, second target is 24,140. 24,550, 24,700 is no trade zone area. For Bank Nifty, it opens in gap up and breaks 53,650. First target is 53,900. Second target is 54,450. If opens in gap down and breaks 53,400, first target is 53,130. Second target is 52,850. 53,690 and 53,400 no trade area. Thank you. Do you feel the information provided in this video is helpful? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy trade. Keep learning, keep earning.